I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView. First, let's get acquainted with the platform's interface. You'll discover how to navigate the main dashboard, locate different asset classes, and understand the basic layout. This initial step is crucial for setting up your personalized trading environment and getting comfortable with where everything is located before diving deeper into analysis. Now, let's dive into the heart of TradingView, charting. You'll learn how to select different chart types, from traditional candlesticks to more advanced options. We'll also explore how to add and customize various technical indicators, like the moving average or RSI, to help you identify trends and potential entry or exit points. Understanding these tools is key to informed decision-making. Next, we'll cover the essential drawing tools and how to set up effective alerts. You'll see how to draw trend lines, support and resistance levels, and even apply Fibonacci retracements to predict price movements. Plus, I'll show you how to configure price alerts so you don't miss crucial market changes, allowing you to stay informed without constantly monitoring your screen. Finally, let's look at some advanced features and the vibrant TradingView community. You can explore shared trading ideas, learn from other users, and even publish your own analyses. We'll also touch upon backtesting strategies and how to connect your broker for seamless trading directly from the platform. This comprehensive approach will empower you to leverage TradingView to its full potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.